Welcome back to Things Tina Does. Today we're doing another copycat recipe, Cracker Barrel's famous Hashbrown Casserole. And I'm going to show you a couple little shortcuts to it. Okay, and here is your first shortcut, you guys. I get the Walmart brand Southern style O'Brien hash browns. They already have the onions and the peppers in them, so you don't have to do that chopping ahead of time. Now, when you're getting ready to do this, lay these out of the freezer ahead of time so that they thaw and come mostly to room temperature, okay? So, we're going to get right into this. 1 egg into a medium-sized bowl, and we're going to beat that up. All right, into that beaten egg goes 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup. All right, so stir that in a little bit into your egg. Get that incorporated. Into that is going to go 2 cups of sour cream. And blend that in really well. Now, once that is blended in goes 1/2 cup of melted butter. That's in. Then, in goes our salt and our pepper. And blend that in. Don't you love this so far? Using all one bowl, right? And guys, if you miss those amounts, remember, just check the description box below for those full amounts, okay? Into a nice big mixing bowl. Get your potatoes in there. In goes our sour cream mixture. And we're just going to partially fold that in, guys, just a little bit, because we need to put in our 2 cups of shredded or grated cheddar cheese. All right. Now, if you like, you can reserve part of that, and that's what I'm doing, to go on the very top after you get it into the pan. That way you have just that little bit of melty cheese crust on top when it's all finished. Okay, look how nice and blended that is. See that? That's exactly what we want. And then into the pan it goes. And guys, you see how fast this gets mixed up, right? So make sure you've gone ahead and preheated your oven, and that way you won't have to wait on your oven to be ready by the time you have this all mixed together. All right, and just spread that out. Now we'll take our remaining cheese and sprinkle that right over the top. There we go. And that is ready to go into that 350 oven. And this is going to bake, guys, for about 45 minutes. Just when it starts getting to that 35-40 minute mark, just keep an eye on it. Make sure it's not getting too brown. Once it gets golden brown on the top, it is done and ready. Okay, guys, our timer's gone off, and it has been in there for about 42 minutes, I believe. We're going to pull this baby out. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh my word, does that not look scrumptious? Oh, we're going to set this to the side and let this cool down just a little bit more, and then we'll give it a taste test. Okay, guys, time for our taste test. Ooh, it looks scrumptious. Oh yeah, look at that creamy, cheesy goodness. Oh, that's good. The potatoes still have just the tiniest bit of, integrity to the texture. So when you bite through, it's not like a mouthful of mush, you know what I mean? And then you get that little bit of onion flavor and pepper in there, along with that cheese and creaminess from all of those sour cream and butter and stuff in there. That's just wonderful. Oh, you guys, this is great, like breakfast or brunch or anytime dish. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, you guys, you give this a try, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do that for us. We're enjoying so much bringing you some of our favorite recipes from our home into yours. Well, let us know how it works out for you, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.